As such a vast kingdom, such a powerful empire. But something doesn't feel right. It is too quiet, too still.
You usually complain when there's too much of noise. Now you complain when there's none.
There's a difference between peace and whatever this is.
Father, I'm bored. There's absolutely nothing to do in this entire kingdom. It's like everything has just stopped. Even the kitchen was quiet today. No one was rushing. No one was arguing, and no one tried to take my kunafa. That is unusual. Everyone should take your kunafa.
Yeah.
That is not normal. Like every idea disappeared. That is very, very suspicious. That is definitely not normal.
I think I heard something outside, something like wings.
You always say that, but there's nothing outside the window. It's just your pretend imagination.
But this time it sounded real.
I heard it too.
That's it! We cannot sit here pretending that everything is okay. We go out. We see what is happening to our own kingdom.
You mean we leave the palace? We leave all our valuables alone without anyone?
See, there are many security guards. I pay them. I know, me too. So, we go out. Call it a picnic if you want. Call it like we're just going out on a family picnic. But we try to understand what is stopping our kingdom to be one of the best in the centuries.
So it's not just an ordinary picnic, it's an adventure?
Exactly.
Will there be chocolate, Dad?
Yes.
Then I fully support this adventure. I think I hear him. Oh! Can I take this Ferrari out?
No. No noise, no attention, no publicity, and especially no media. No one should even know that we are going out.
Then a small car?
A very small car.
I thought we were joking! Really?
That's your fault.
We need a Ferrari!
No.
But it would be slightly uncomfortable.
That's perfect.
Children into a journey they would never ever forget. Act 2, the journey. Drive safely. You can't even drive.
I tried.
The family is now going down an uneasy road. Are we there
No.
yet?
No.
Oh, why are you driving like this?
I am the king. You can't talk to me like this.
Excuse me?
I'm hitting my head on the roof.
That's your fault. You're so tall.
Are we there yet?
Will you give it at least a minute? We just left.
But
I don't care.
it looks so quiet outside. I don't like this. There used to be media, people, shops. Yeah, there are people here. Shops,
will also get, will you? Take the food!
Everybody stand up! Protect the basket! It is our main source. The crochet. We are hungry. We are starving.
Hello, my lovelies. Remember me now? Food and the smell. Oh, disgusting. These are my assistants, my loyal heroes. Exactly what I say to them. They are such good. Yes, we follow our mistress. Now listen carefully. Give me all your food, your money, everything you have. Otherwise, you will be in trouble.
Hey, yeah, Miss Old Lady, strange lady wearing Halloween costumes when it is still June. We don't have any money.
We basically don't talk and get out of here.
Yeah.
Then I will take something else. Perhaps your children. No! That will not happen.
Yeah, definitely not.
Instead, let's make a deal. A deal? What's that? A deal is a challenge, which you will obviously not know as you're done. You will ask us 3 riddles. If we get them correct, then you let us go. And if we don't, then we give you everything that we have. You accept?
Just
Very interesting. A challenge.
Fine, I accept.
Fine, I accept it. But listen carefully.
Riddle 1.
And so the challenge began. Riddle 1. What goes up but never comes down? Is it food prices?
That was actually good.
I want some. The answer is your age. She got it. I'm not dumb. Correct. Okay. Riddle 2. What has hands, face, but no nose?
okay. Let's get this straight. Hands. Face. Face without nose?
Do not guess and think properly.
Yeah, okay, wait. I'm trying.
And even think faster.
Yeah, wait. Is it a clock?
Correct.
Yes, it is. Of course. I knew it. I'm a genius.
You guessed. I say not to.
Okay, but
You're dumb.
it was an intelligent guess. I saved you guys from 130.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Good job, Simon Genius. Best boys ever.
Riddle 3. What spreads quickly? Fire or ice? This is difficult. When fire spreads quickly, ice spreads really slowly. And chocolate melts faster than gold. No! The answer is fire. Why? Any reason? We searched everywhere in the kingdom. We had so much. We took more than we needed and wasted it.
This is how imbalance begins. When we take too much, others are left with nothing. And we, being the royal family of this kingdom, did not notice it happening.
I'm making notice, King. I always thought having home made me happy. But today I saw when someone has nothing. Here, have mine. Here, have mine. You can have mine as well. Take my tea. That's not a hard decision, but have mine. Have mine too. Too much.
We were happy to share.
First, please, I see. Same for you too.
This is how balance returns. Not through fear, not through harshness, but through kindness.
No one has ever given me instead of something in return.
Kindness doesn't need a deed.
So no more attacking,
No more attack.
only asking.
Only us.
Full of chaos, we reached an unexpected lesson. They returned home. This is the same palace, the same kingdom, but it feels different because they are different.
I thought this would just be an ordinary picnic, but turned out to be something I will always remember. We faced a lot of danger and solved it together
We almost lost all the snacks.
because you tried to take everything. I learned what to. I always thought having home was better.
But today we learn having more doesn't matter if you don't share.
And I thought taking was the only way to survive.
Kindness fixes what greed breaks and balance keeps it happy.
So now we live in peace forever.
Yes, come and live with us together.
And so, the kingdom